We are leaving Tallulah Gorge State Park, headed to our next destination. We are choosing to go to a Forest Service campground just west of Vogel State Park called Cooper Creek. Can it get more exciting than heading to Walmart? We've been stopping to buy enough DEF for our truck. We buy the Walmart brand, which is several dollars cheaper than Blue DEF and still meets all Cummins specs. The problem is it's out. This was our fourth Walmart, so we're happy to stock up a little. Oh, by the way, make sure that those seals aren't broken. Gary had heard people returning these bottles filled with water. If the windy roads weren't fun enough, Mother Nature decided to make it more interesting by adding a little fog to the mix. Sweet. Cooper's Creek store. Got fishing stuff there to supplies.
Continue for 5 miles.
Next 3 miles.
It's already been that way.
Yeah, but this road,
There's a little bit more of a, more challenging.
Alright, so here we are at Cooper Creek Campground. It's primitive, nice campsite, so they got picnic tables and fire rings. Last night we pulled in, there was 2 campers here, and we woke up this morning to we're the only ones in the park. So I got a really cool park to ourselves, so we're going to walk around the campground right now. Yeah, this is the bridge we had to cross. It wasn't too bad. Puddles were, about 10 feet deep, so we were good. It absolutely has no network. It's bottomed out. No AT&T, no signal whatsoever.
Verizon's the same as well.
So if you come to this park and you want entertainment, you better be creating it yourself.
Are we gonna make it without?
Me, yes. You probably not.
I think they may have changed their minds on the prescribed burn timing. That's good for us right now, though, since it is mid-February.
We're not staying in Mulkey Campground, but in order to get to Cooper Creek Campground, you have to drive through this campground. So they're kind of 2 campgrounds attached, and they're very small sites. So anything probably over 20 or 30 feet, it might be a little tight.
And boy, can I pick the most awesome campsites. It is a true talent. This was a surprisingly large site with water on 2 sides. We decided to just pull up a chair and enjoy lunch, listening and watching the creek.
All right, so here we are. Yeah, so we hiked 1.5 miles to 2 miles up the hill.
Mountain behind us.
Because there's a mountain right here, and all sorts of mountains over that way. So we hiked 2 miles.
To send a text.
To send a text to let everybody know we're okay. That we didn't fall off a mountain somewhere.
Not yet.
Not yet, anyway.
I got a text out to Sarah, so that's good.
Now we're going back downhill, which is easier.
We cheated. We were supposed to not have internet service the entire time, but we did send a text and get weather information for the next couple of days.
So we gotta watch the weather because there's no camp host or anything at this campground.
We always have a plan B, sort of.
Alright, and just because I missed you so much, she wanted me to catch some side views of what our downhill experience looks like here. So if you mess up on this road, you're going to end up all the way down there like a bobsled. You'll be Chevy chasing that booger all the way down. We'll catch you down the hill.
That night, we enjoyed dinner and a campfire by the creek and watched the stars as they peeked out through the clouds and sparkled like glitter in the night. All right, this will be our first hike here. Check this out. It's a pine tree. Ew.
So what you do is, if you get a cut,
Yeah.
you can control the bleeding and then put some pine sap on it.
Oh.
It will actually kind of act as a band-aid.
Yeah, I can kind of see that. It does not taste good. It does not taste like maple.
It's not maple, babe. The tree this is not.
I did not know that. I tried and failed. Can I have a wipe? Yeah. Don't touch trees. Even wipes don't work. They're sticky. Stick. Stick. Ugh. More dirty, but less sticky. Okay, this is another hill that doesn't end. Jeez. This part was bad. Oh, it's killing us. Maybe that's the top of the hill. Maybe. We're not climbing hills just to get our 4G service. Maybe. A little. Oh. Okay, still here. And still climbing this mountain. I think I can call this a mountain. I think this is a mountain.
It is a mountain.
It is a mountain? Okay.
No,
It feels much better to say I'm climbing a mountain rather than climbing a hill. No, we're still not at the top. Still hiking up the hill. Oh! Cell signal service. Woohoo! Wait, hold on. Why is Yellow Mountain Trail green? That's really what I want to know.
Right direction.
We're getting closer to that mountain.
Yes, we are, actually.
Elevation-wise, at least.
Let me see how high we are.
We are kind of high. We are high. I'm feeling fine. Huh.
It flakes.
Flaky, sparkly stuff. It's like intricate markings from an olden age. No, they're just termites. You can almost see the mountains through the trees. And the only thing we hear up here is the wind and birds, and I believe that's the water, the river down there.
Wind in the tree.
Okay, so it's either wind or river.
I'm saying it's wind.
I'm saying it's river. We never agree.
Yeah, it's wind.
That's water. Definitely water.
You can go look.
No. That's really, really steep there. Oh, is that water I hear?
It's definitely wind.
You just keep hoping about your wind. And very steep over there.
Where the wind blows.
It's a huge amount of wind. Huge.
It's wet.
It's moist.
Tropical rainforest.
Yeah, it could change quite a bit. Different trees. Based upon the time of day, we have to turn around without confirming with 100% that that noise is water and not air.
It's air blowing through the mountains. It's moving rocks.
Pines in the forest, and I can't walk.
Walking into rain.
No, this is the same trail, babe. We don't split until the other one over here.
Oh, that's right. You are correct.
I thought I heard you are correct. Oh,
wind
sure. It must have been that. Yeah, it must have been that wind earlier.
There was a gust of hot air.
Well, I tell you what, if you fall, it's a long way down.
Yeah, you're not stopping on this one.
So if you get all the way down to the bottom, I'm going to mark the coordinates, but you're going to have to yell down there what your coordinates are so I can get you some help.
Marco! Oh, that's a cool view of the mountain, actually.
All right, another trail done.
Woohoo!
We got a Yellow Mountain Trail. Did it, done it, we're done.
Woohoo! All right, now I gotta figure out where our camper is.
To the right.
Okay, sure. That would be horrible. Falling on the very last step. We are on campsite number 15, and it is definitely the coolest one here. If you're interested in learning more about where we stayed, what trails we took, and more, make sure to go to our website. The link is in the details section below.